Hi guys, welcome back to Opportunity Nanny. If you have always dreamt of pursuing your studies in the UK, here's some exciting news for you. The University of Nottingham is currently providing a fantastic opportunity with a tuition fee scholarship. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you. Now, the University of Nottingham is offering 50% or 100% tuition fee scholarship for full-time master's program. This one-year scholarship aims to support innovative students that are passionate about creating impactful solutions in their home country. Now, what is the scholarship eligibility? You have to reside in Africa, India, or specific Commonwealth countries. We will see that in another slide. You have to be classified as an overseas student for fee purpose. So you must be an international student. You have an offer to pursue a full-time master's program at the University of Nottingham for the 2024-2025 session within the faculties of engineering, medicine, health sciences, science, or social science. So you can see that this scholarship covers a broad range of programs. Now, for the application process, you have to have applied and secured offer for a full-time master's program at the university. Once you have received your offer, you can navigate to the scholarship section on Nottingham Hub, the university's application system, to apply for the scholarship. If you have an offer for a Master's of Research course, you can reach out to the scholarship team at scholarship assistants at nottingham.ac.uk, and they'll provide you with specific instructions on how to proceed with the application. You will see the email for you to reach out to on their website if you are interested in a master's in research. That's just for those that are interested in masters in research. Now, the eligible countries, we can see a lot of countries here. We have Africa, we have Dominica, we have Fiji, we have Grenada. We have a lot of countries, so you can just look at it. If you're a citizen of one of these countries, then you're eligible to apply for this scholarship. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. So guys, let's look at the application criteria. Applicants will be assessed first and foremost on how they can demonstrate their vision, tangible plan for developing a specific solution that will positively contribute to key economic, environmental, structural, social, and political challenges within their home country. Now, strong applicants will also be able to link this to the learning outcomes of their course of study and how this will facilitate their efforts. Where the ethos of developing solution has been clearly evident, application would then be looked at in line with more traditional scholarship criteria, including your reasons for studying at Nottingham and noteworthy achievements. So you can see that the application will first be assessed on how you can demonstrate your plans, your vision for providing a specific solution to help to develop and positively contribute to key aspects of your home country. Then after they have now seen a link between that, they will now look at more traditional criteria such as your grade and other reasons for studying in Nottingham University. Now make sure you have enough time to prepare strong answers. Your response will be, you'll be assessed based on your responses and academic merit when making scholarship decisions. Please note that there is a strict word count limit for all questions, which is outlined at the end of each question. The system does not automatically limit this, so you'll be encouraged to check your application before you submit. So, guys, I'm telling you that there is a word limit at the end of every question. So make sure you do not exceed that word limit, because the system is not going to notify you when you exceed it. And that's a easy way for them to disqualify you, because it shows that you do not listen to instruction. Now, your scholarship requirement. You do not need to respond to your offer before submitting your application for the scholarship. So once you have received an offer, because I told you guys that you have to apply for admission before you can apply for the scholarship. Once you have received an offer, you don't have to accept it or not before you apply for the scholarship. However, for you to be awarded the scholarship, you have to have accepted the offer to study with this university. All scholarship application will be assessed before making any award. You may be offered a scholarship of either 50% or 100% of tuition fee, and you'll be contacted towards the end of June 2024 to confirm the outcome of your application. If you are awarded the scholarship, it will be deducted from your tuition fee charged to you as a student of the University of Nottingham. The tuition fee will not be paid directly to you. In some cases, students are eligible to apply for more than one University of Nottingham award. So note so please note, in no scenario will a developing solution award be combined with a regional scholarship. So what they are saying is that there are other scholarships that students can apply for, but once you get this developing solutions award, it cannot be combined with a regional award. And if in any event you get offered both scholarship, the one with the highest value will take precedence, which makes more sense. So if you get given a scholarship that covers stipend, covers that is more higher than this developing solution award, the one with the most money, or the one that covers the most thing, will take precedence. Now, students may be offered developing solution award along with another scholarship, example, maybe from their school, or a sporting award. To maximize the reach of the university scholarship offering, we aim not to double award, but in exceptional cases, this may be possible, where the combined total does not exceed 100% of tuition fee. So they are saying that in the case where somebody is giving two awards, like sporting award and the rest, they can the person can take the two scholarship if it does not exceed 100% of their tuition fee. So maybe if one scholarship gives you 50% tuition fee and that one gives you 50% tuition fee, then you can go ahead and take those two scholarship. Now you guys, you can check the frequently asked question and the scholarship application guidance notes, so that you will be able to see some major questions you want to ask, and just for you to be able to understand it. So this is also this was the previous recipient of the award. So you guys, I've always been an advocate of, if you're not sure about the application, you can always reach out to these people on LinkedIn, reach out to them on social media, and just politely ask them if they can provide you key information, if they can help you access your application documents. So let's go and see how we can apply for this program. So you have to search for courses here. So I'm going to click here. Now I'll go to the next window since I already have it here. So these are the courses for, if you're interested in thought, you pick thought. If you're interested in research, you pick research. Because mind you, both thought and research are eligible for this developing solution scholarship. If you want all, you can pick all. So I picked 2024. So you can look, do you want accounting and finance? Just look at whichever one you're interested in. And whichever one you're interested in, you just click it. When you click it, okay. You guys, I'm coming. I'll show you. Yes. So this is how to apply for the third master's program. You can read on it, check the English language eligibility, check the key date and deadline. So once you apply, they're telling you that within 16 weeks, either less than 6 weeks or maximum of 6 weeks, you can be sure to get a decision or an offer by them. So you get a decision whether you'll be offered whether you'll be offered an admission or not. Now, international students are ought to apply as early as possible because of funding deadline. I remember that this scholarship, the deadline is April 2024. So, as I said also, that you have to pay an application fee of £50 for postgraduate thought courses. So, guys, do well to have that in mind. For this university, you have to pay £50 before you can apply as application fee. So now, after we have picked, let me move it. After we have picked, let's say, accounting and finance. So once you click on it, just click on it so that you will see how it goes. You can see everything about the page. You can see the requirement, the course overview, so you can read on that. Then we can now go to application, and then we can see how to apply. So if you're a new applicant, you click on apply online. That's application for the 2024-2025 entry. You can see the deadline for international students for application. But if you want this scholarship, you have to apply way ahead of time, because the deadline for the scholarship is in April, and you need to have an offer letter before you can apply for the scholarship. It's best that you apply within now and maybe mid-February, so that you can give the school enough time to be able to get back to you on their decisions whether they are going to offer you an admission or not. Then you can now apply for the scholarship. So this deadline does not is not for you if you're interested in this scholarship. So once you open new application, you can now set up the portal. This is where they'll take you to. After you have set up, you register your name, your username, your password. You can now come into this hub, register, input your username. Once you apply, you will see the place for scholarship, and then you apply for the scholarship. And guys, that's all for the Developing Solution Scholarship. I hope that you put in your best, and if you're interested in this scholarship, that you'll be able to get it if you're interested. Guys, don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for 50 subscribers. I'm really grateful. Please, for those of you that are watching and have not subscribed, please do help to subscribe. Thank you.